seen Blue, my puppy? Come on in. Oh, hi. How are you today? See, I'm just a little stiffly. Hey, Blue. You see who's here? Blue.
There's Blue.
Oh. Oh, you see Blue? Where?
Right there.
Oh, right over there.
Oh.
Oh, thank you, Blue. That's exactly what I need to feel better. No? This tissue isn't what I need to feel better? Oh. Well, what do you think I need to feel better? Oh, I see what you're doing. We'll play Blue's Clues to figure out what I need to feel better. This is gonna be so much fun. We are gonna play Blue's Clues, because that's a really great game. Yeah. Now remember, Blue's paw print will be on the clues. Blue's Clues. Oh yeah. We should probably clean this paw print up. Oh, sorry. I just have the sniffles. Hey, you know what we need for Blue's Clues? Our
Notebook.
notebook. Right. And where is our notebook?
Side table drawer.
Side table drawer. Come on. Hi, side table drawer. How are you today?
I'm a little
Sniffly?
sniffly.
Me too. You know, I really think I'm gonna need your help today to figure out what Blue fix I need to feel better. Will you help me? You will? Great. Okay, so to play Blue's Clues, we gotta find,
Paw print.
paw print, right, because that's the first.
Clue.
Yeah, then we put it in our notebook, because the clues